I'm Rice G from Aroma Housewares. Are you tired of creating a kitchen nightmare each time you make a home-cooked meal? What if I told you Aroma could take the cook out of home cooking, turning kitchen time into your time? Today, we'll show you a simple recipe that uses our patented sauté, then simmer technology, saving you time and effort. First, you'll need a multi-cooker with our STS technology. Then, gather your ingredients. Today, we're making a beef and veggie risotto. To begin, press the STS button. Add some oil, and give it about 5 minutes with the lid closed for the inner pot to heat up. Then add chopped beef, searing it within the multi-cooker's inner pot. Cool, right? After the beef is cooked, add vegetable broth, rice, and any veggies and seasonings. Then close the lid. Leave this to cook for 30 to 40 minutes. Once the cooker is finished and is switched over to keep warm, add some cheese and milk to make it extra creamy and delicious. And there you have it, a tasty home-cooked meal with very little effort and a huge payoff. Thanks to the sauté then simmer feature, you can make recipes that will be a crowd favorite every time.
The 10-quart Presto Precise Electric Pressure Cooker Plus cooks big cuts of meat and poultry, a huge pot of soup, or even a dozen ears of corn. A patented sensor precisely controls the cooking temperature. No need to adjust for altitude, and it cooks up to 70% faster than ordinary methods. This multi-use pressure cooker also slow cooks, cooks rice, steams, browns, sautés, and even keeps food warm until ready to serve. The nonstick pot is extra wide for easier browning and sautéing. Makes enough soup or chili to feed a crowd. Holds a 9-inch springform pan for making cheesecake and cooks a dozen eggs perfectly. 19 program settings include convenient presets for meats, fish, poultry, vegetables, rice, multigrains, beans, soup, stew, and desserts. The intuitive dial and digital display make setting easy, no complicated buttons. Simply scroll through the options as they're displayed on the LED screen. Set the function, adjust the time, and the rest is automatic. It counts down the remaining cooking time, beeps to tell you cooking is done, then switches to keep warm to let the pressure drop naturally, or use the quick release valve for fast pressure reduction. The cover lock indicator shows when there is pressure inside and prevents the cover from being opened until pressure is safely reduced. It's never been easier to enjoy the benefits of high-speed pressure cooking, including saving time and preserving nutrients. Get precision, high-capacity pressure cooking, slow cooking, and more with the Presto Precise 10-quart Electric Pressure Cooker Plus.
The Bella 6-quart pressure cooker is a multifunctional unit that includes 10 one-touch preset functions. You can pressure cook, sauté, stew, slow cook, and much more. You can even sear your meat before cooking for added flavor. Simply toss in your ingredients and spices, lock the lid, turn the pressure release valve to the pressure setting, select the desired cooking function, let it preheat, and the pressure cooker will take care of the rest. When your meal is ready, release the steam by turning the valve to the pressure release position. Unlock the lid and voila! Bella's 6-quart pressure cooker for those priceless home-cooked meals without the fuss.